Hi, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to today's show. My name is Professor Holy Rock. I want to show us something that we all are seeing but are doing nothing about. And today we're going to be talking about Facebook story. Facebook story. Our title for today is Facebook story. Yes, Facebook story is our title. Sorry about this. You see, so much is happening, and we all, you and me, we are seeing it and we are doing nothing. Most of us, very few people, in fact, so few. Okay. What are you posting on your story? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Professor Holderock, like I have told you, and today's video is titled Facebook story. Are you a pastor? Are you an imam, afar, wherever you are watching me from? Please, I know this type of things, people don't want to hear it at all. When I say people, I mean more people. Out of 100 people, maybe only 2. If you even see to say, if you need to go to church and give thanksgiving, that want to take what we are saying, what I'm saying right now. People don't want to talk about it, but they are dying in it. They are going. I don't want to do something now because I've not cropped the person's picture, else after I've done something. But let me just leave that. Let's see how. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Let me just show you something fast. Let me show you something fast. Our society. Okay, this is what I want to. I've not cropped. I'm not sure I've cropped the other pictures, so I wouldn't want to show people and show their faces, because when you talk about people, the things that are not good about them, and you're showing their face, they get angry. But when you talk about them and you pretend, even if it's not, even if they're doing the wrong thing, and you say, you're doing the right thing, they say, so in fact, they even give you money. And that's why our country, that's why I tell people, I have hope that Nigeria can be good, but hey, if all these things are not done, nothing, it cannot be good. It can't be good. So how can this country be good when, if you are saying something that will not favor you, even when that will affect the people, because it will not favor you, you are angry. So why should you say that? Why should you, and you tell me that this country will be good? No. Until we are out, okay, this thing will favor me, but it will not favor the others. Let it go. Until you look at me now, because when we are talking about things like this, you say, it's true, but can you do it? I was teaching somewhere and I was asking them, can you do it? I told them things that my father did that I have done, not by God's grace, that some people have done. I said, can you do it? And they started calling me, can you do it? Can you do it? But they couldn't answer me. Seven have failed on the group, and this thing, can you do it? If it's you, can you do it? And you tell me that this country will be good? It will be good. I've taught some people, only individuals can be good, but the country as a whole, my brother, unless, like I have told them, but I will not say that here. But like I said, this is my platform. So you see what people are posting on their story. See this. Don't tell me why am I showing it. Are you not seeing it? No. Don't tell me why am I showing it. Are you not seeing it? What are you doing? When you see it in your Facebook story, your friends are posting it on the street. What are you doing with it? So since you're not doing anything, I have a platform to correct you, to correct this boy or this man, whoever it is that is posting this. Of course, this is a girl that opened herself up. And don't tell me why am I posting, because if a girl opened herself up, this is a public picture. She opened herself up. Take me. So why are you telling me don't show her face? You have already shown your face. So because I'm saying something that is truth, but doesn't favor you, no. Yeah, there's something has been wrong with those guys. So see now, the girl is an error. Sorry to say, she's my sister. She's your sister. Now the guy that is posting this kind of thing, what is he passing across? Of course, when you post this type of a thing, you're sure of views. People, oh my God, come and see views. See, I didn't view this. I didn't view this. I only screenshotted it. Screenshots. I can view it, and of course, thank God for a few people like that who don't move. I can view this. See. Now, if I post, well, I can't even post something like that, but I post indecent girls and guys, mostly girls. I'm coming for the guys, and I use them and I teach. I said, don't dress like this. Dress like this at home, not in public. At home, there is an attire of an harlot. Read your Bible, read the Quran. Prof says there's an attire of an harlot. In Exodus 28, verse 2, I didn't plan to go to the Bible now. If not, I would have opened Bible. Let's read it. But you can open in Exodus 28, 2. Yes, I'm sure that is it. God told Moses, is it Moses? He said, make a garment, holy garment. God didn't say make a garment. God specified. He said make holy garment. He didn't say make garment. He said holy, because garments can be indecent. He said holy, but holy can't be indecent. Holy garment. For Aaron, thy brother, now he said, the first thing he said was, is for glory and for beauty. Read it and see yourself. He didn't say for beauty and for glory. He said for glory and for beauty. When you dress, I tell women, and when I say this kind of thing, they fight me, even men. In fact, men fight me the more. You see that they say, me, as a man, I'm a man. I know what men are passing through. I know that men cannot see even the need of a woman. And unless people who have worked on themselves here and hand, like for instance, now there's nothing that although we are human beings, so yes, I know that the EA Adeboye, the great man, Pastor, let me call those I know. Although there are young guys, like me who don't move, but let me call people at least, even if I'm not, I can vouch for them. That the EA Adeboye praise for Wewe. It's a young man. Daniel Akpata. Obus Bezali Brodo. That's my boss. Even if you're not, that's my boss. I have lived with him, Obus. I have stayed with him. This man is one man. That's, if you like, be naked, it doesn't move him. Yes, that man, at least that one, I've lived with him in the same house for years. So I know that this one, no, don't go there. What is he doing to do that? See, not because, but what I'm saying is that posting pictures like this, are you a guy? Are you a comedian? And if you see this guy now, where I'm driving tonight is this guy now, if you check him now, he attends church or mosque. You see that a Christian or Muslim, he attends the church or the mosque. He knows that what he's doing, posting the kind of big picture without passing a message, just posting it there, just to have views is wrong. He knows, but he's posting it. See, our women, little children, both adults, going naked on Instagram. I'll be doing that. I'll be capturing. In fact, I'll be capturing their faces. If a girl can snap, open herself up and post on Instagram. And I now talk about her. This is not good. And she's angry and she wants to sue me. Something is wrong with she and the lawyer and the judge. You posted yourself. I didn't come. You didn't keep that picture private. And I came to take it and I brought it to the public. You kept it in the public. And I kept it in the public. I said, this is not good. So are you saying that we shouldn't correct? No one, of course, I know that was what got me into trouble. Not once, not twice, not many times I've been into trouble. When I see people doing the wrong thing, I said, Prof, although then I used to correct harshly, but with a clean heart, Prof, well, then it's bad. It is bad, but stop this thing. And they planned me. But thank God, because God sees my heart that this guy doesn't hate you, but he doesn't know how to maybe correct you calmly or in love. That was them. But today I've learned to correct calmly. My sister, how are you? My brother, how are you? You're good. Though. That way is better. I've learned that, God will always help you if you're doing something and your heart is clean. You always, but learn fast. So please, our people, especially those who see what our people are wearing to church. Let me show you. Please don't post this kind of things online. It doesn't speak well. See what somebody, is it this one? Let me see. Not this one. If I say that girl is beautiful now and she sees this video, she say, this guy is saying, but if I say what she's doing, it's wrong. It's an issue. Sorry about that, please. I have some course, I have some class to take. See what people, our sisters, are wearing. Please, I want to end this video so I can attend. I have a class to train. See what our choristers are wearing to sing on a Sunday. I will end this video now. I will come again to talk about this. Take my time and explain what all this rubbish is. If I show her face now and tell you, oh, but this girl is sweet, she will tell me, boy. But if I show her face now and say, what nonsense, she will copy them. See, let us learn to accept the truth. Accept the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Professor Holy Rock. Till God brings me your way again, I am Professor Holy Rock, and I'm saying, remain sexually clean. You can stay sexually clean, and no woman, no man can move you. Do your business. See, if you are there, you are masturbating, contact me. My number is on my YouTube. And let me tell you, if you have not, see, masturbation will, see, is it masturbation? Masturbation. That thing, that thing is, you see, poison. Poison. Well, I would come again to talk about that. Don't mind how I'm sweating. It is our country. Do you know how old I am? Before I was born till now, this country cannot boast of permanent lights. Not even for even to 1 day safe. 1 day. And many presidents have come and gone, and they keep telling us, I'll give you light, I'll give you light, I'll give you light. What rubbish? What rubbish? What rubbish? When businesses are there, and they will come and tell us, we'll give you grants from CBN, and we don't see anything. We don't see, you write business plan, write this, no, you won't see anything. See, I told them, stop all this, your business plan, your loan, your grant. Just give us light, give us good road, give us these things. We will create that money. The Nigerians are not lazy, you forget away. Now, in fact, they're the ones making our guests to go naked on the streets. Our boys are doing, they're the ones, and they will come and blame the boys. The boy, go to Banti or president. As if the president's son or the governor or the senator's son does things that are worse, as if anybody can arrest them. But when they come to where we do
something, even something bad that's not even worth anything, because you have nobody to carry you. But they didn't kill you instantly. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you love the truth, subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Share, like. Till God brings me your way again, I am Professor Holero. Remain sexually clean.